Sensory neurons are nerve cells within the nerve system which are responsible for converting external stimuli into internal electrical impulses.
For example, when your hand touches a hot pan, your first reaction is to lift it away. Why is this?
Sensory neurons consist of 6 main components: the dendrites, the axon terminals, the cell body, the nucleus, and the myelin sheath.
The nucleus is the control center for the cell. It contains all the chromosomes for that cell. The cell body produces proteins. The axon terminal sends electrical impulses to another neuron's dendrite or another cell.
The dendrites connect to another sensory neuron's axon terminals to receive electrical impulses. The axon is where the electrical impulse travels through to get to the axon terminals. The myelin sheath protects and insulates the axon. The direction of impulse always heads towards the axon terminal.
When your hand touches a hot pan, the sensory neurons detect this and send an electrical impulse up to your spinal cord. From here, your spinal cord sends another electrical impulse to your brain to alert it of what is happening. But before this, it sends another electrical impulse back to your motor neurons, which tell your arm to move away from the hot pan.
As you lift your hand away, the signal from the spinal cord gets transferred to the brain. That is why the pain is delayed by half a second.
The electrical impulse passes from the axon to the axon terminal. From here, it passes through the synapse as a neurotransmitter and to the dendrite. From the dendrite, it passes through the neuron to the next axon, and the process is repeated.